Did you know that in 2023, in despite of global economic shifts, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway outperformed the S&P 500 by a significant margin? In a world where financial uncertainty seems to be the only certainty, Buffett's strategies stay a source of knowledge. Imagine a world where the richest man isn't a tech mogul or a retail giant, but someone who simply understands the power of smart investing. In 2024, amidst a backdrop of economic uncertainty and technical revolution, the strategies of Warren Buffett are more relevant than ever. Today, we are going to look at the Oracle of Omaha's playbook to find the best ways to invest in dividends in 2024.
Let me just ask you about the economy. We have heard recently from Jamie Dimon in his annual letter at JP Morgan. He says a recession is much more likely now.
Well, I know what a lot of different businesses are doing, and I just got a report from one of them that happens to be in the retail-related business. And in any event, it was minus 22% in February from a year ago. They didn't think that was going to happen.
Sales? You mean, or profit?
Yeah, in sales, profits are down a lot more than that. On the other hand, some of our businesses are still doing fine, but they all are reporting that the new, some of them are living off of orders were placed months earlier and that sort of thing. But it's a tougher world.
Now, let's sit back and chat about what this year, 2024, has in store for us, shall we? First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the global economy. It's been on a roller coaster lately, hasn't it? After a whirlwind of the past few years, with pandemics and geopolitical tensions, 2024 is like the first calm morning after a stormy night. But as we all know, calm doesn't always mean clear skies ahead. There's a sense of cautious optimism in the air, mixed with a healthy dose of skepticism. So, what's driving the economy this year? For starters, technology continues to be a major player. We're seeing advancements in AI, renewable energy, and biotech that are not just changing the game, they're rewriting the rulebook. Companies in these sectors aren't just promising, they're exploding with potential. But remember, with great potential comes great risk. Now let's shift gears to interest rates and inflation.
I think value investors are going to have a harder time now that there's so many of them competing for a diminished bunch of opportunities. So my advice to value investors is to get used to making less.
These two are like a power couple of the financial world. When they move, everyone pays attention. Central banks around the globe are in a tricky spot. They're trying to keep inflation in check without putting the brakes on economic growth. We're seeing some interesting moves, and some countries tightening the purse strings while others are more liberal. It's a mixed bag, and it's keeping investors on their toes. Speaking of investors, let's chat about the stock market. It's been a bit of a wild ride, right? After the highs and lows of the past few years, 2024 is shaping up to be a year of adjustment. We're seeing a shift from the growth at all costs mentality to a more measured approach. It's like the market is maturing, focusing more on sustainable growth and long-term value. This is where dividend stocks come into play, and boy, are they making a comeback. It's like rediscovering an old classic. It never really went out of style. But it's not just about stocks. The real estate market is also seeing some interesting trends. After the boom of remote work, we're seeing a shift in how people view their living and working spaces. There's a growing demand for flexible, sustainable, and smart homes. It's not just about location anymore. It's about functionality and adaptability. And let's not forget cryptocurrencies. They've been the talk of the town for a while now, and 2024 is no different. We're seeing more mainstream adoption, but also more regulation. It's a sector that's still finding its feet, and it's fascinating to watch. In conclusion, 2024 is a year of transition and transformation in the financial landscape. It's a year where the old and new are colliding, creating opportunities that are as exciting as they are challenging. As investors, it's our job to navigate these waters with a keen eye and a steady hand.
I can look at California versus Washington versus Oregon, and I get them the next day. So I love figures. You say that it doesn't really do me that good to be such a figure nut, but I just like them when I see them.
In terms of the potential for a credit crunch coming through what the banks are going through right now, there's been a lot of speculation about what that could mean to the economy. Is it going to mean a 0.5% hit to GDP? Is it going to mean a 1% hit to GDP?
All right, now that we've set the stage for the financial landscape of 2024, let's dive into the heart of our discussion today. Warren Buffett's evolving dividend strategy for this year. You know, Buffett, the man who turned a few dollars into billions, not by following the crowd, but by smart, calculating investing. So, what's he up to in 2024? First things first, Buffett's core philosophy hasn't changed. He's still the value investor we all know and admire. But what's fascinating is how he's adapting this approach to fit the unique contours of 2024's market. This year, it's all about finding that sweet spot between traditional wisdom and modern market dynamics. Let's talk about his selection criteria for dividend stocks. Buffett has always loved companies that pay dividends, but not just any dividends. He looks for companies with a consistent record of paying and increasing dividends. But in 2024, he's also paying close attention to how these companies are positioned in the face of technological advancements and changing consumer behaviors. It's like he's blending his old-school approach with a dash of futurism. One key aspect he's focusing on is sustainability. And I don't just mean environmental sustainability, though that's certainly part of it. He looks at companies that have sustainable business models, ones that can withstand economic fluctuations and technological disruptions. Think about companies in renewable energy, healthcare, or even certain tech sectors that are showing resilience and growth potential. It's like he's looking for companies that are not just surviving the storm, but thriving in it. Now, let's talk numbers. Buffett's always had this knack for finding undervalued stocks, and this year is no exception. He's scouring the market for stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value, but have strong fundamentals. It's like he's on a treasure hunt, looking for hidden gems in a sea of overvalued stocks. But it's not just about picking the right stocks. Timing is crucial, and Buffett knows this better than anyone. In 2024, with the market's ups and downs, he's playing the waiting game, patiently waiting for the right moment to buy and hold. It's a lesson in patience and discipline for all of us. He's showing us that even in the world of constant change, some things remain constant, like the power of smart investing. Moving forward in our journey through 2024's investment landscape, let's pivot to a topic that's as exciting as it is daunting: the role of technology in reshaping investment strategies. And who better to guide us through it all than Warren Buffett, a man who, despite his initial reservations, has embraced the tech revolution in his own unique way. Now, Buffett hasn't always been the biggest fan of tech investments, right? But here's the twist. In 2024, we're seeing a subtle yet significant shift in his approach. It's like watching a seasoned chess player adapt to a new set of rules. He's acknowledging that technology is not just a sector, it's a fundamental driver of change across all industries. So, how is Buffett incorporating this into his investment strategy? It starts with understanding. He's diving deep into how technological advancements are impacting traditional businesses. We're talking about AI, machine learning, and even blockchain technologies that are redefining how businesses operate. Buffett is looking at companies that are leveraging these technologies to create long-term value. It's not about jumping on the latest tech trend. It's about understanding how these trends impact the fundamentals of a business. And it's not just about the tech sector. Buffett's genius in 2024 lies in identifying companies in traditional sectors that are smartly integrating technology to stay ahead of the curve. Think about healthcare companies using AI for drug discovery, or renewable energy companies using advanced data analytics to optimize their operations. Traditional companies with a technological spin are the types of investments that appeal to Buffett. Another key aspect of Buffett's strategy in 2024 is his focus on data. In a world where data is the new oil, he's looking at companies that are not just collecting data, but using it to make smarter, more efficient decisions. It's about finding companies that treat data as a strategic asset. Moving on to more serious topics, let's talk about cryptocurrencies. While Buffett has been famously skeptical about crypto, in 2024, we're seeing a more sophisticated outlook. He's still cautious, but there's a recognition of the underlying blockchain technology's potential. As we look deeper into the investment strategies of 2024, it's time to turn our attention to some of the more unexpected and unconventional moves in the market, especially those influenced by Warren Buffett's evolving wisdom. This year, Buffett is reminding us that sometimes the most rewarding paths are those less traveled. One of the most intriguing aspects of Buffett's 2024 strategy is his move into what many might consider unconventional or under-the-radar sectors. While he's known for his love of blue-chip stocks, this year we're seeing him venture into areas that many traditional investors might overlook. It's like he's searching for hidden treasures in overlooked places. For instance, let's talk about the renewable energy sector.
3 owners of Berkshire Hathaway Energy. We are the 91% owner, and there are no 3 owners that are more interested in pouring money into sensible deals within the utility industry, or are better situated in terms of the people we have to maximize any opportunities. We have never had a penny of dividends in whatever it is, close to 20 years of owning Mid-American Energy, and other utility companies pay high dividends. They just don't have the capital appetite, essentially, that we do. So it's just a question of finding sensible projects.
While it's not entirely new, the way Buffett is approaching it in 2024 is noteworthy. He's not just looking at the companies producing renewable energy. He's interested in the entire ecosystem, from storage solutions to distribution networks. It's a holistic approach, recognizing that the future of energy is not just about production, but about efficient and sustainable integration into our daily lives. Another surprising area of focus for Buffett in 2024 is the expanding field of space technology. Yes, you heard that right, space. While Buffett has traditionally steered clear of highly speculative sectors, his interest in space technology is not about chasing after the next big thing. Instead, he's looking at companies that are making tangible strides in making space technology more accessible and commercially viable. This is a long-term bet on a sector that could change the course of our future. But it's not just about picking the right sectors, it's also about timing. In 2024, Buffett's timing is more strategic than ever. He's not rushing to jump on trends. Instead, he's waiting for the right moment to invest, when the market undervalues a promising sector or company. It's a game of patience and precision, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Now, let's touch on Buffett's philosophy in 2024, which seems more relevant than ever. It's far better to be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. This year, we're seeing this philosophy in action. In a market that's often driven by short-term trends and hype, Buffett's approach is a breath of fresh air. He's not swayed by market euphoria or panic. Instead, he's calmly assessing the market, looking for opportunities where others see challenges. Warren Buffett's investment strategies, particularly in dividend stocks, remain a source of wisdom in the complex financial landscape of 2024. As we've explored, the key to successful investing lies in understanding the value and potential of your investments, not just following market trends. Remember, in Buffett's words, someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. So, plant your investment seeds wisely and nurture them for long-term growth.